everybody, welcome back to another video. We are on our way to somewhere we really don't need to go, but we're going anyway. So as you can see by the title, we are going to our favorite place. Everybody knows, I thought it would be a cool video to see what grow kits we can buy from Target that's easy to grow, to see how many grow kits we can find for one, if they have any for two, and which ones are the best. I know a lot of people have trouble planting and starting planting and stuff, so if you want to test out how well your area might do, which zone you might be in, this is a good way of testing it out without buying so many products at a time because you don't really know what you're doing. Okay, y'all, we are in the $5 section right now, and of course this section alone has so many little goodies. They have some cute little dollar daisy cups if you want to come here and get started on these. So they have some more little grow kits for only $3. I might get a lavender one because my other lavender plant that I got did not end up sprouting, and I think I did it wrong. So I'm gonna try one more time to get a lavender. And honestly, you could use these little things, these are $1, as buckets, and just drill a hole underneath the bottom and use these as buckets. So these are wonderful. I'm about to get some also. Okay guys, so they have the cutest grow kits. This is a tomato grow kit. They have a lavender grow kit. They have a sunflower grow kit. Kitchen herbs and garden. Cute. Basil, mint, and cilantro. They have a mushroom grow kit. An organic jumbo watermelon grow kit. How cute is this? So cute. Back at home right now, and I'm going to show you guys which grow kits that I actually got because I'm actually really excited. It's these grow kits you can do easily inside of your house. I specifically got some that you can do inside of your house. Okay guys, we are going to be starting with the sweet strawberries and refreshing mint complete grow kit. I have been wanting to grow strawberries for a minute now. I have just been trying to research before doing so I can have a perfect outcome because I do not like failure. Even though when you are in the planting, you're gonna have a lot of times where you do fail and your seeds do not sprout or things go wrong, and you know, all the other stuff that can happen. Don't get discouraged or anything like that. Keep going, keep trying to fix the problem because it's a problem that could be solved. So next we have this cute little lavender plant that I got. Like I said, I used a different brand that I also got from Target and they did not grow well. Medium is still good, but it still didn't grow well because I think I messed up and overwatered it. But this one comes in a little cute bucket. This was $3 and I believe this was $7. Next we have this $1 cactus gardening kit. Now I'm super excited about this because I wanted to grow something like a house plant or something from scratch. So I'm super excited to grow something like this. This was $1, so this could be like a cute little project that you do with your kids. All this could be, but this is a cute little project you could do with your kids and you really aren't missing out or taking a total loss because it only costs $1. Next, we have the aloe plant. This was also $1. These two plants I am super excited about and see how well this grows, but okay. Last but not least, this beautiful tomato growing kit. I have been wanting to, I don't even like tomatoes like that so much, but I have been wanting and dying to grow tomatoes. So this is a perfect for me, so I don't have to get all the stuff yet. But this comes with a glass mason jar. I guess you could do this from inside of your home. So we're going to be starting with the strawberries and mint. All these grow kits are super easy to do. They come with their own medium palette, so you don't have to get any yourself. And of course there's seeds and the directions of which you need to sow them at. For this one, you need 2 1/4 cups of water. I love how these pallets absorb the water so quickly and just become super fluffy. Now you're supposed to whisk it with a fork, but I am using a stick that I just found on the floor because I didn't feel like going in the house to get a fork. You have to be very, very careful when opening up the strawberry seeds because the strawberry seeds are so small, and the mint seeds are also small. So you have to be really careful. I almost lost them if I didn't really pay attention as to what I was doing. So make sure you're paying attention, and I advise you to use a paper or a bowl or something to where you could see it clear and don't lose them. I am just sprinkling these seeds kind of all over. When doing the seeds, make sure you do not bury them in the soil. Make sure they're on top of the soil because they need light in order to grow. Lastly, you have to put plastic over it. It acts like a little greenhouse in a sense while your seeds are about to sprout. Now we are all done, guys, and it is time to put this baby in the sun. Now, for our lavender, it is the same process pretty much, except for different water measurements, but we are going to be doing the same thing. Whisking it out, fluffing it out, and then putting our seeds in. And again, in order for these seeds to germinate properly, you do not or should not bury your seeds. Place them on top of the soil and push them in just a slight bit. Don't be like me and overwater your plants. All you need is a little spray bottle and to be spraying these maybe twice a week. Now for our cactus and aloe, we are going to be again doing the same process, and I just want to remind you guys that the directions is already in here, so you do not have to be following along with me, but just if you need help, you can look at this video. Allow the water to absorb completely. It'll be much easier for you to fluff out, and luckily these seeds are way bigger than the other ones, so you should be good. But this time you're going to put a little bit of soil on top of the seeds. Yeah. Last but not least, our wonderful tomatoes. Now this one was at least $24, which is very understandable because it does not come just in a little mason jar. It comes in a big one. It is packaged very nicely, has everything you need in it already, and even comes with its own fertilizer. So this is completely everything you need for right now. It is straight out of Oakland, so gotta support. Now I am just adding 1 cup of water and placing the seeds inside. Again, these tomatoes you can grow inside your home. Just place them inside of a window. Specifically, they need 8 hours a day of sunlight, so make sure they get lots of sun and put them in a good place. And also put the lid on afterwards because that helps with the germination process. Got my little setup out here with all my little plants. Obviously, if you guys haven't seen my YouTube shorts, our Venus flytrap died, but I'm gonna get a new one to see if I can keep it alive instead of my mother. But we have our tomatoes, our strawberries and mint, aloe vera and cactus, our lavender. My celery is still growing even though I'm not taking care of it correctly, and of course our blueberries and blackberries. I just have to stay away because the bees are doing their job. After we get done mowing the lawn and stuff, I'll have it better set up. I'm probably move some of them around a bit because you don't want one to get more light than the other, so I think I'm gonna have to buy some little chairs and stuff. But I hope you guys like this video. This is something that you guys could do with your children. This is something that you can do if you just want to start growing something. Just a fun experiment, fun project, something you could pour yourself into. So I deeply encourage you guys to plant a seed, especially spring is coming up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be back with another video.